We are f***ing stuck.
You're buried
in the mud.
You're buried up front, bro.
We're buried. We're buried. Whoa. Yeah.
Do you have your radio?
400,000 miles. I've been driving a vehicle with 399,000 miles. Oh, shit. All right, guys. So our goal is to go Flagpole, Virginia to Union Spring, West Virginia. Baby blue. And typically we take the Gladiator or the Tacoma or any normal capable off-road vehicle. Decided we wanted to represent for Mitsubishi, and so we're gonna go with this particular Mitsubishi Outlander. Has a crack in the glass, wrecked front end, and most importantly, that button right there, 4-wheel drive. So the experiment is to see truly, can this Mitsubishi Outlander with 4-wheel drive make it on a technical off-road route in Virginia, West Virginia, Appalachian Mountains? Let's find out. So we drove from Richmond to West Virginia in a 400,000 mile Mitsubishi Outlander with a Timu lift kit. Lift kit. We also needed off-road tires, so we used the tires that are on the 2025 Mitsubishi Trail Edition. Mitsubishi isn't new to this off-road life. This brand has been bagging trophies and championships long before your mom could spell SUV. I'm talking World Rally Champion Tom Mackinnon, the Lancer Evolution Dominator. And don't forget, the monster of all off-road races, Paris Dakar Rally. Mitsubishi didn't just compete, they won. They won big. I'm talking 12 times. The Pajero is the most successful Dakar vehicle in history. So when we take a 400,000 mile Outlander into the West Virginia backwoods, we're not doing something crazy. We're honoring the brand's tradition. Okay, maybe it is a little crazy, but hey, at least the Mitsubishi ancestors would be proud. Do me a favor, be like, damn, this car's so hot.
Oh, damn, so hot. It's falling apart. Get your finger fixed. It's about to come off.
Well, gang, it's time we head to the mountains and see if the Mitsu can make it.
In the mud.
And we immediately got stuck. Of course. Shout out to the random heroes who pulled us out. They saved our lives. Look. And our deductible. Yeah, there you go.
Turn to the right. I gotta hug these people.
That's funny, dude. The front bumper's trash. Here, let me see. I got you, bro. Alonzo,
Yeah.
we're out here in the mountains. But hold up. Before we go any further, I gotta shout out my cameraman, Alonzo. This man flew in from LA. This is the same man who survived a heart attack and a full heart transplant.
You feel like running?
Kinda, yeah.
And now he's out here running hills and capturing every shot. Meanwhile, our Outlander behind us has over 400,000 miles. It's still running strong. It's still getting upgrades. That's 2 survivors, 2 second chances, out here together in the middle of the wilderness. And all of it happened just 36 months ago. Speaking of 36 months, the all-new 2025 Mitsubishi Outlander during the year-end sales event can qualify for 0% for 36 months all the way up to 60 based on approved credit. And that brings us to today's sponsor, Richmond Mitsubishi South.
They're fine.
What are those?
They're completely fine.
What are those?
You dirty bastard, we caught you looking.
It's the year-end sales event here at Richmond Mitsubishi South. Ask about 0% on Outlanders for 60 months based on approved credit. Not all customers will qualify. Richmond Mitsubishi South, the #1 Mitsubishi store in the country.
Hey,
Our saviors came. Man, without them, we could not have done this. Incredible. Incredible. Union Spring, West Virginia. Now you know that I know that you know that we cannot let the Outlander leave the mountain defeated. No, sir.
Full send. Round 2. No fear. No hesitation. No AAA. This time, we actually made it! Let's go.
There's no way to describe it if you're not in this vehicle.
This is Flying Brian. I'm here to start saving you from high interest rates, high prices, and the hassle of buying pre-owned vehicles.
What made you decide to keep it, Mr. Scrimshaw?
Just to show people the reliability of a Mitsubishi. 400,000 miles, man drove it every single day as an Uber driver.
Before we wrap up episode 1, I want to share something real. Richmond Mitsubishi South is a family-owned business, and the people who work here, they're not just employees. They're real human beings. They're your friends, your neighbors, the folks you see at the grocery store. Not some bot on a computer. No offense, Chad. Rain, hail, sleet, or snow. This team shows up every day, and we fight, truly fight, to get you approved on the best deal possible. So whether you're starting your journey with the brand new Outlander, showing 4 miles on the dash, fresh off the truck, or you're coming in for service with 400,000 miles on your odometer, from mile 1 to mile 400,000, and every mile in between. We're here to help keep America moving. That's our promise. That's our culture. That's our family at Richmond Mitsubishi South.
Captain, what are we doing?
selling cars.
So to answer the question, can it go on a technical route? Like Flagpole, Virginia to Union Spring? The answer to that question is yes and no. Yes, it can. Properly outfitted with the right lift, with the right tires, it absolutely can. The four-wheel drive is astonishing in this vehicle, and it just keeps on surprising you. And with over 400,000 miles, you know it's extremely reliable. But there's some things that it just can't do. And so you got to know the limitations of your machine. So can it make it from Union Spring to Flagpole? The answer is yes. And can it do it and make it a lot of fun? The answer is hell yes. All right, guys.
Hey, what dealership?
You already know. Richmond, Mitsubishi South.
Listen, if you found any part of this video inspiring or entertaining, please make sure to like and subscribe. It really helps us out keeping this channel going. Thank you guys.